worst backdrop ever. Anyway, look, it is the end of yesterday's video that you watched. End of the same day. But honey, this Instacart and stuff, honey, is perfect for somebody who do not like going around other human beings. It's like myself. So look, I had already showed you this in yesterday's video, and I thought that I had ordered 3 in yesterday's video from Instacart, but I ended up not. I had ordered the other glass kind. Anyway, they didn't have them in stock, or the shopper didn't want to look for them, so they refunded me. So I only had one of these. But turns out I like how this looked with the wooden top, and so I needed 2 or 3 more. So hopefully that's what's in here, because I haven't even looked at it yet. They literally just dropped it off. But I got a, y'all, can I use this for that? Okay, I hope I can. I gotta sneeze. Well, I got a gold, hopefully a shower rod. I think this is what this is. But I got a gold one. And again, this is Instacarted from the At Home store. So a gold shower rod, because I don't know if the apartment comes with one or not. And sometimes I do like to, you know, use one for higher up than, you know, hanging the curtain a little higher toward the ceiling to give the illusion that the bathroom is bigger, all that. Anyway, got a gold one. Remember if I had dishes or not in that stuff. I could not remember if I did or if I had put them back. But the one thing that I keep forgetting is an electric can opener. And they don't have any here. Like on the Instacart thing, there's not an option for one. So I have to keep reminding myself. Anyway, I got these white dishes because I do not think she had any coffee cups. A 16-piece dinnerware set. I got her because one of y'all told me in the comments, Sharon, I didn't see you haul your mom a clothes hamper, but I think she probably has one. And she also has a laundry facility on site for them to go to. Found her this little decorative, cute little, what is it? Just a trinket box. Just a cute little trinket box that she can put somewhere, store stuff in. So cute, gold, glam. Yeah. She loves stuff like this little love sign to just sit somewhere. Okay. She loves this kind of stuff, y'all. I don't even know what this is. Little elephant, again, for her to put wherever. And elephants are good luck anyway. And this is wooden and carved. And I told you, she really loves this kind of stuff. She always has. Like, this is literally the kind of stuff she decorated with when I was little. Which is why I fell in love with this wooden type, carved type of stuff. This is where it began. So I thought she would really love that. And that's good luck. I couldn't remember if I had gotten her some knives, but I thought these were cute. Okay, because we can bring mama up to speed. So she got some what color is that? Some green with the wooden handle. Fashionable glass jars, I hope. Yes, it is. So now we have, are they the same? Yes, they are. We have the glass jar, so we'll do Epsom salt in one, maybe like the bath bombs or cotton balls or just whatever, right? So we have 3 of those. Perfect. Last but not least, we have glass storage dish things, the glass ones with the lids. how many you get in here? 6-piece set. As I couldn't remember if I got her any of these, but I know that I need to get her some the casserole dishes like this, the long ones, those, and the can opener. I keep forgetting the can opener. And then I got her this clothes hamper. And that is it for the Instacart order for today. A couple more finishing touch is, and then that is it. And I'm also going to get her an air fryer just because I feel like she'll really enjoy cooking with the air fryer. I don't think she has one, even though I do have the microwave for her. But an air fryer, I feel like she'll really get a kick out of learning. That's if she already don't know. Because I know my other mama, she loves the air fryer. Okay, she is a master chicken cooker with her air fryer. So we'll see if my other mama want one too. And by the way, they live around the corner from each other, which I think is so cute. That is the cutest thing to me. Old best friends. Good morning. I just Instacarted the stuff for Fabville to take Fabville down. Oh my God, my heart is racing. It's really racing, y'all. I love y'all so much. Like, I really love y'all. Let me set you up first. I think I ordered 5 or 6 extra totes for the new stuff that came in this year. I ordered bubble wrap and bags for the smaller light items.
Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out, you stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way, can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try and you try really hard, but sometimes you fall, yeah, sometimes you fall.
So we got some bubble wrap, we got some Ziploc bags. This is our bin of the leftover snow stuff from this past year. We'll go through that, and then all of our bins. These are the newest ones I got. So I got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then this one. So we have 6 additional bins, and then the ones we already have.
Sometimes I fall. Sometimes you fall. And I know that you really tried to protect it. I know that you really tried, but you didn't get it. Sometimes you fall. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, yeah. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. Keep it in here and lock it. Keep it in here, don't knock it. Before you try being on your own side for once, for once. But sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall.
out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. Ooh, it's my time. Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm tryna get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit. You think success is an option? I'm tryna get this shit poppin' like woo. Big moves, my rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Eat that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours. Boss bitches to the floor. It's my time. Hey. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, shit don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce, I'ma always come up. I tried it your way, that was a dub. I'm taking the wheel now, cause I trust me. I'ma go get these millions. Hoes still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission, like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season, like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait till I leg for it. Countdown for me. 5, 4, 3, 2. I want, I'ma make you wait for it.